Yeah, let's talk about defensive asylum. And that's maybe going to an immigration court, which, like in the UK, you say you go for hearing. In Canada, you say you go for a hearing. Here in the US, we call that immigration court. Now, if you go for your interview, which is the affirmative, and you were not granted, it just simply means that the officer did not believe you, or he cannot really hold on to something to say, this is why I will grant. He finds some bit of loopholes in what you have said. Then he's referring you to an immigration judge. Now, in this case, this is where you want to really hear your case in details. This time around, maybe when he interviewed, you couldn't see the things properly. This time you can have a legal representative, which means that your attorney can come and speak. At your interview, your attorney is not the one that is being interviewed. It's you. Your attorney can just make one or two statements if it's necessary. But at the immigration court, your attorney speaks. It could be a cross-examination. They can ask you questions, and then your attorney throws certain things back to the immigration lawyer. So, however, your case is heard before a judge, where somebody is a third party now reasoning. In the last one, in the affirmative or the interview, one man decided, or a group of people decided with no third party. With the immigration judge, it's now there is a third party. However, just understand that the immigration judge in this case, or the immigration court in this case, is still under the executive. It's not under the judiciary. So yes, under the executive arm, they still have the immigration court. So what does the judge do? The judge listens to their unbiased and really wants to make decision based on the evidences you're going to bring. So if you're failed in your interview, you do have chances. Yes, it's just to have those things presented, where just to know what you gave at the testimony, and some of those things will know how to go about it. Now, one little issue with the immigration court is this. When you are referred to the immigration court, you don't get a transcript of what you said. So you are referred to the court. So you don't know what you have said, but they recorded everything. They wrote them down. And it's only at the court that you get to see that.